I'm Emily and I'm going to show you how to choose the right rug for your bedroom or living room. Adding a rug with different colours and patterns can really add to the room. Instead of having to change out a key piece of furniture, you can just switch out a new rug and instantly lift the space. For this space, I'd like a rug that will go just under the legs of the couch and extend just beyond the coffee table. The theme of the room is using neutral tones at the moment, so I'm going to try out a few different rugs with different tones to see which one fits the space the best. You'll need a bit of help to move the heavy furniture, so I've got my friends to come in and help us get started. Guys, don't hit the wall. This is a really lovely rug, but it's just not right for this room. It's too dark with a dark coffee table on top and on dark carpet. It's also too small for the space and it's leaving the room disconnected. Just in the middle here, guys. Beautiful. This rug is absolutely perfect for this room. It's got a great contrast between the dark coffee table and it really ties in the rest of the light colours from the room. It's nice and large, which adds a luxurious feel to the room and also frames it really well. Having a rug in the bedroom can be really great. It adds colour and dimension to the space. Also, if you have tile or hardwood floors, stepping out of bed in the morning can be a little less cold on the toes. This rug is all wrong for this space. It's too busy, almost the same colour as the carpet and way too small for the space. This rug is absolutely beautiful in this room. Unlike the other rug, it has a great contrast between the dark carpet and the dark bedspread. It adds dimension to the room and it's a perfect size because it extends beyond the length of the bed. All the rugs we've used have been great, but not every rug works in every space. You can find the right rug for you at your local Bunnings warehouse.